Hey everyone, Paul Akers. The Global Lean Leadership Summit is coming up, and a lot of you have expressed interest in actually speaking at that, and we would love to have you do that. So a couple things you should know. Number one, there are 15-minute slots. Number two, we have super high expectations for the quality of each speaker. Number three, in order to speak, you first have to submit a quick 1 to 2 minute video. Give us an idea of what it is you want to speak about. Number three, if we approve you, then you need to read the presentation secrets of Steve Jobs to make sure you're following standard work on how to establish the quality that we're looking for. Then the next thing you need to do is make a keynote or PowerPoint presentation that will encompass about a 15-minute presentation, and then you need to reduce it down to 4 minutes and send that to me in a video. So basically you do a screencast and you quickly run through your slides. I want to see it because I'm going to actually coach everyone that speaks. I know that sounds crazy. I speak professionally all over the world. Every speech I give is critiqued by my wife and other members of my team. I'm always subjecting myself to the scrutiny of other people. In this case of the Global Leadership Summit, I'm going to be the person doing that. I'm going to scrutinize everyone's talk. Mr. Amazawa, former vice president of Lexus, when I first saw his talk, I asked him, Mr. Amazawa, can I help you with your talk? And he said, sure, because he saw my talk. I went ahead and from scratch rebuilt his entire talk. Now imagine the humility that the vice president of Lexus has to have in order to subject himself to my scrutiny. I'm not the vice president. He did it willingly, and every time he speaks, we redo his presentation significantly. He loves it. He loves the idea of continuous improvement. He loves the idea that he's getting feedback from somebody else. These are the requirements that must and will occur for every speaker at the Global Lean Leadership Summit. If you're on with that and you don't mind that, no problem. One more quick story. When I did my TED Talk, again, I was at the level of being a professional speaker speaking all over the world. I spent 6 months being scrutinized by the TED team on every word I spoke. It was one of the most valuable lessons I ever learned because I realized that every word matters. There you go. Thanks a lot.